Hey everyone, welcome back to Soulful Summit. I'm Grace, and I'm so excited to have you here today. If you're new to the channel, Soulful Summit is all about exploring introspective topics that inspire and motivate us to live our best lives. So grab a cup of tea, get cozy, and let's dive into today's topic, spring cleaning your life. Now, when we think of spring cleaning, we often think of decluttering our physical space. And let me tell you, there's something incredibly liberating about clearing out the old and making space for the new. So today, I want to share some tips and tricks on how to declutter your physical space and how it can resonate, challenge, or motivate you in your life. First, let's talk about decluttering your physical space. We all have those areas in our homes that seem to accumulate clutter, whether it's a messy closet, a cluttered desk, or a chaotic kitchen. But here's the thing, our external environment reflects our internal state. When we declutter our physical space, we create room for clarity, focus, and peace of mind. So take a deep breath, grab some trash bags, and let's get to work. Start small. Begin with one area at a time, like your closet or your kitchen pantry. Sort through your belongings and ask yourself, does this item bring me joy? Does it serve a purpose in my life? If the answer is no, it's time to let it go. Donate, sell, or recycle the things that no longer serve you, and watch as your physical space transforms into a sanctuary of positivity and inspiration. But decluttering your physical space is just the beginning. It's a metaphor for decluttering your life as a whole. Just as we let go of physical possessions, we must also let go of emotional baggage, toxic relationships, and negative thought patterns. Spring cleaning your life means taking a step back and evaluating what truly brings you joy, fulfillment, and happiness. So, my dear friends, I challenge you to embark on this journey of spring cleaning your life. Take a moment to reflect on the areas that need decluttering, both physically and emotionally. What is holding you back? What is weighing you down? And most importantly, what can you let go of to make room for growth, love, and abundance? Remember, this process may not be easy, but it is incredibly rewarding. As you declutter your physical space and your life, you'll find yourself feeling lighter, more focused, and ready to embrace new opportunities. So let's do this together, one step at a time. If you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Soulful Summit for more inspiring content. And as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, you have the power to create the life you've always dreamed of. So let's spring clean our lives and make room for the extraordinary. Until next time, take care and keep shining your beautiful light.